welcoming you to this practice of orientation, ensuring that you are in a comfortable seated position. You may close your eyes or lower your gaze now. We begin our practice with the intention to openly and reverently connect with our mind, body, heart, and whole being. In this space, you can open yourself to real, unconditional love and compassionate connection. Nothing needs to be fixed. Nothing needs to be changed or released. Simply witnessed and welcomed. Firstly, stating your name 3 times internally. My name is. Or maybe you do so in your mother tongue, your native language. And in doing so, you are affirming who you are in this present moment as the most present and up-to-date version and vision of yourself, intending to meet this now moment as your whole self, not some fractured expression of self. Noticing now how your body feels, where you may be carrying some tightness or tension. And giving yourself permission to begin the softening process. Maybe giving permission to your shoulders or your jaws to soften now. Maybe calling your throat and hips to soften. Even if it's only a fraction than what it was before, each breath will gift us that space to continue to soften, to continue to reorient, to continue to harmonize. And to continue to opening and to listen to your body in all the ways it speaks to you. Connecting with your breath now. Breathe in, breathe out. Your holy breath of life. Breathe in, breathe out. Noticing the sensations of your breath now. You do not need to change or alter it in any way. Simply notice the sensations as you inhale and as you exhale. Maybe even noticing that space gifted in between each inhalation and each exhalation. Allowing the breath to bring us into deeper remembrance of the ever-present rhythm of your breath, always there, always breathing, always centering. Maybe feeling called to elongate your breath for the next few moments. Filling the lungs and the chest and the belly. Maybe even allowing yourself to deeply sigh and sound as you sigh. All the while noticing the sensations, being present with that sacred sentience and intelligence of your being. Bringing your awareness to your sit bones now. And perhaps even feel that ancient knowing and invitation of your sit bones to drop deeper into your being now, to sink deeper into the body, and to feel steady and grounded within the body. Dropping into the stillness and solace of this present moment, the eternal now. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. This practice of orientation and reorientation is inherently known to the body and your whole being. In every breath, in every moment of conscious awareness, the sophisticated intelligence of your body will reorient itself to a state of peace and harmony. The more we allow this, the more effective and efficient the reorientation. So even if this natural recalibration feels uncomfortable, unsafe, or completely different to what your normal has become, breath by breath, moment by moment, you can gently and compassionately unwind, unfurl, release the contractions and tension. And patiently return to our natural, coherent state. To allow ourselves to return to our true, natural state of being. Let your breath and body and whole being guide you into this grounded and liberated sense of being. Coming to your center point in your chest, to your heart. Feel your heart, that spiral intelligence of your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Maybe even feel the reverberations of your heart beating now. Your heart, both an anchor and an amplifier of your whole and holy self. This spiral heart and heart space is the altar of your soul. Breathe life into this space now. Breathe from the central, sacred space within. Feel it open. Feel it expand. You are connecting with your whole self now. Mind and body, heart and spirit. Allowing yourself to feel the fullness and wholeness of all of who you are. Every aspect, every inch, every cell dreamed into creation, divinely designed. All of you held and known through your physical body. This your temple, this your sanctuary, this your home. You need not question it anymore. You need not doubt it anymore. You need not seek it anymore. You need not prove it anymore. You belong here. You are safe here. You chose here. You are sovereign here. Feeling that deeper reorientation to your true nature now, to the truth of your being, to the knowing that your physical body is sacred. It is the primary sacred text. And while you may have forgotten how to read the language of your body, you can just as easily remember. Choose to remember now. Choose to reclaim now. Choose to restore now. Do not remain illiterate to your incredible wisdom and intelligence, to your innate nature. Feel the resonance of your breath and body now. Feel the edges softening. Feel your heart opening. Feel your whole being now. Feel the ripple of your breath emanating from your heart and meeting life all around you. Notice how every breath calls for deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Life is vibrant. Life is rich. Life is ever growing and becoming, just as you are. You are a vessel, an instrument of love. Loving yourself back to peace. Loving yourself back to harmony. Loving yourself back to wholeness. Each and every time we reorient to the truth of our nature, we know ourselves a little deeper. We love ourselves a little greater. And we commit to being ourselves a little fiercer. Taking 3 whole body breaths now into the full depth and breadth of your whole being. Breathing as your whole self now. Reoriented to your center, steady in your truth, grounded in your roots of being. The openness of your heart and the faith in yourself calls you to step forth intentionally. And so we complete as we began, stating your name 3 times. From this whole and holy and presence. Gently bringing your full awareness back to your body, to the chair, to your feet, and to the space. Rubbing the palms of the hands together, generating heat. Maybe placing them on the soles of the feet as you fully immerse back into this present moment. And take a few moments to do so in your own time, opening your eyes. And being with what has just moved for you. Maybe taking a few moments to contemplate or write down about your experience.